Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, August 12th. The Zen story for today is titled The Cushion That Vanished. It wasn't the softest cushion on the temple. It wasn't the newest or the cleanest, but it sat just right. Low to the ground, edges worn soft by years of folding bodies, sunlight brushing it each morning through the south window. The monks never claimed it as theirs, but everyone knew its weight. A longer bow, a quiet glance, a breath held just a moment longer when someone arrived early to sit there. The cat knew it too. Some mornings, it would curl itself into that small, sunlit space before anyone else arrived, tail wrapped tight, breath slow and steady, filling the room with something the monks never dared disturb. They sat around, making do on folded robes, hard floors, empty space. No one spoke of ownership. The cushion belonged to no one, but somehow it anchored them all. Until one morning, it was gone. The cat was late that day. It stopped in the doorway, ears tilting toward the quiet. The monks held their breath without meaning to. The cat walked slowly to the empty patch of floor, stood for a long moment, then sat down. The monks gathered quietly, each one settling around the empty space, careful not to disturb the silence hanging between them. No one joked. No one filled the air with easy words. It felt as if the whole room had shifted, tilted just slightly towards something they couldn't name. The next day, someone brought a new cushion, placed it in the same spot, same shape, almost the same color. It looked right, but something in the air pulled back. No one sat on it, not that day, not the next. The cat returned as before, moving to the edge of the space, never touching the new cushion, never filling the absence. It sat beside it as if guarding something too light to hold. Eventually, the new cushion was moved to another room. The empty space remained. So did the cat. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. When something sacred disappears, do you rush to replace it? Or let the space speak? When something sacred disappears, do you rush to replace it? Or let the space speak? Now bring your hands to your heart and, as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. When something sacred disappears, do you rush to replace it or let the space speak? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you on Thursday.